Hey guys, so 2020 was obviously a tough year and it was really tough for a lot of businesses out there. So in 2021, our goal here at TurnKey is to help as many companies to scale, especially on Amazon as a sales channel. And so you maybe heard that we opened up 8 spots in January for an Amazon account strategy call where we're going to help go over your whole 2021 year and make sure you've got a really clear plan on how you're going to grow to that next level. So that filled up, but we actually are going to open up some additional spots for that. And we've gotten a lot of great feedback from everyone who's done it. So if you're interested in getting your Amazon business to the next level, you want us to look at your product listings, ask you questions about, what strategies are you proactively using for Q1, for Q2 and beyond? What are your plans to grow? We talk about advertising, whatever you need to talk about. We'll identify what you're missing in your business and try to get you to that next level. So if you want to do that, definitely make sure to reserve your spot as soon as possible. Click the link above or below and get signed up so that we could help you to grow to that next level. So wishing you all the best in 2021. Thanks.